Williams Sound, helping people hear since 1976. Digi Wave 300 series now offers two new modes of operation for interpretation. The first is called Bilingual mode, and the second is called Relay mode. Let's talk more about bilingual interpreters and how it works with Digi Wave 300 series. Bilingual interpreters will be fluent in two languages. They will listen to a person speaking in one language, English for an example, and interpret to a person or an audience in a second language, such as Spanish. The same interpreter will also listen to Spanish and then interpret into English. Here's how bilingual mode works with Digi Wave 300 series. You will program Digi Wave as you normally would for interpretation using the microphone and headphone icons. The third step of programming will give you the option to select bilingual mode. If you select yes, that unit will automatically be using channels 1 and 2 for bilingual interpretation. Once you have completed the programming steps, the unit will show a 1 and a 2 on the screen, and the red light below 1 will be on. This means that the interpreter will be transmitting on channel 1 in Spanish, for an example. If the interpreter presses the arrow up button, the green light will be lit under number 2. This now means the interpreter is transmitting on channel 2 in English. If the interpreter presses the arrow down button, they are now transmitting on channel 1 again in Spanish.